What's up you guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name's Kat and this is another haul and my desktop just went off and probably changed the lighting. Lovely, so today we are in my kitchen. That is a mirror, do not be alarmed, there's not someone behind me. And we are doing a requested video of unboxing some Nike gear. I asked you guys on my Instagram, be sure to follow me and follow my stories so that you can take part in those and let me know what you do and do not want to see. But you guys did want to see this. I will say it's only 4 items, but that is why I decided to do an unboxing plus a try-on haul. So, I hope you guys enjoy this. Let's get into the video. It's actually kind of like even a bonus video because it's also like a first impressions. Alright, it came in 2 separate boxes, even though I don't know why. Well, I don't know. I mean, the one box is 2 pairs of shoes. So, this collection came out like fall-ish? I don't know, maybe end of summer. And I wanted it, but you know, Nike's not exactly like giving their stuff away. So I waited. And then like the whole collection went on sale and I couldn't get the leggings I wanted because they only had them in like a 2X. And I thought maybe I could try them, but I don't know. I really didn't want to mess with it, to be totally honest, so I didn't. Because I would have ordered an XL, so I thought a 2X might not be too bad, but I don't know, you guys. So here are the 2 from the first order, first box. Okay, so we have 2 sports bras. One is a large, one is an extra large. I can't remember the last time I bought a Nike sports bra, to be totally honest with you. So it should be an interesting experience. Brett bought me the tank top that goes with this collection for Christmas. So here's the first one. It's this really awesome print. I love anything that's like tropical looking, so that's what this entire collection is, including the shoes. So the shoes match this collection. And I actually had my eye on one of these pairs and they both went on sale, and then the other pair I found like on a whim and was like, holy crap, I like these too. So I just bought them, and there's a Nike store near me so I can return them if I need to. But this is just a regular racerback, and I don't have, it tells me that it's $35. Let me get on, well, it's actually kind of a good thing that I'm on my computer because I can pull up the receipt. Okay, that took longer than anticipated. Okay, so this guy was $28.97, not exactly a sale, considering it was 35 bucks. So what is that, $7-ish, $6? Either way, I wanted it, and a lot of the sizes were selling out, so I just snatched it. And since I'm going to the gym 5 to 6 days a week, I could use a couple extra sports bras, so. Okay, for real, you guys, this bra is so comfortable. This is the extra large, like I said. I filmed the first part of this at a different time than I'm filming this part right now. So I did wear this to the gym and it was awesome. It fits really well. It's really comfortable. It's not too tight. And it doesn't feel like it's like suffocating. You know what I mean? How it's like sometimes you get a sports bra and it like sucks you in so hard you can't breathe. That probably means you have the wrong size. But this one is amazing. I'm gonna figure out like what the name of this is or the style or whatever and try and get a hold of some more because it is awesome. All right, get into the next one. That was the extra large. This one is the large. This is the one I really wanted. I even asked for this one for Christmas and Brett forgot. So, don't worry, we buy our own things. I'm slightly concerned about this one. What? But I don't know, we'll see. Okay, this is gonna be really hard to show not on a body. Oh my God. Okay, so that's the front, essentially, if you can see that. There we go. So you got the print. It's really pretty, I really like it. And then the back has all these like strappies. So there's a middle strap that is having difficulty showing itself. down there. There you go, kind of looks like that. So looking at this, I know the extra large is gonna fit, and just knowing my body, I think this will fit, but I think the band will be tight. But this one was marked down to $25.97 from $35 as well. So for some reason, this one ended up being cheaper than the other one, but we shall see, y'all. All right, so here is the other bra. As you can see, it still has the tags on it. I have not worn this to the gym because it is too small. It is just barely too small. Like, I could wear this to the gym and be okay. And it looks okay in the front, but this is the problem right here. Like, it fits okay up here and everything. It's this band is too tight. I mean, like, I can wear it and it goes on, but like, it's not particularly amazingly comfortable. There's a little bit of this going on, but not too bad. I don't know. It's maybe 10 or 15 pounds too small, but in a couple of months it'll fit me pretty well, so I am gonna keep it. Okay, time to get to the fun part. The part that I've actually been waiting for, because I've seen those bras in person, but I've never seen these shoes in person. They didn't even, I don't usually go into Nike. I usually go to like Dick's Sporting Goods, and that's where I saw this collection to begin with. And they did not have these shoes, or at least I don't think they did at my store. So, it's funny because I just got a notification that YouTube video that I'm uploading is completely uploaded now, which is cool because I'm filming a YouTube video while uploading another one. So, we've got some lovely packaging that the cat's gonna have fun playing with. Love that. And then, all right, let me just put this down. Grab one box at a time. Okay, here is the first box. These are the Nike Renew Revival Premium, size 8. $85 originally. Okay, so these ones were marked down to $58.97, which is pretty damn good for Nikes. The color is Pure Platinum Black Multicolor. So, da-da-da. Oh my god. Oh, they're so cute. These were the ones that I was not expecting myself to purchase. I love these. Oh my god, okay. Okay, they directly match this bra. So this is the shoe. And you can see the print is on the tongue and on the back and on the inside. It's all the way inside the shoe. I'm so excited. Nike Renew. Can you guys see that? Can you even... Where's my phone? I just looked for my phone. I'm filming on it, for God's sake. Okay, so it's... You're not gonna really be able to see it. You can kind of see it, but the print goes all the way... Why am I shoving this on my face? The print goes all the way down. So I have not... God, I haven't bought a new pair of Nikes in... Oh my God, maybe like 5 years. I've been wearing Adidas lately. So, and I did try the Adidas NMDs and I hated them. So I was so excited too because I found the ones that I wanted and they were in my size, and their sizing runs weird on those, by the way. But really pumped about this. Okay, let me open the other box. Okay, these ones have more print on them. Crap, I'm gonna have to keep all of this stuff. Crap. That's the problem with buying things that you know you're probably gonna like, is you're probably gonna have to keep them. So these are Nike Free Runs. Nike Free Run 2018 GPXRS. Same color, pure platinum, white, black. Oh, just kidding, the other one was black multi. These were $100, marked down to $89.97, so 10 bucks off, but I really wanted these. I was looking at buying these on Black Friday, even though they weren't even really on sale. But these are actual running shoes, which is good because I have started running again at Orange Theory instead of just like power walking, which is cool. But, so here they are. And They look so cool. I even like that they put like fancy looking laces on them. Like, look at those laces, man. I think, correct me if I'm wrong, but I almost feel like these laces are glow in the dark. I don't know why, but I'm getting glow in the dark vibes from these, you guys. So, and it does have a reflective piece right here on the sheer. So, yeah. These are so cool. And the reflective piece on the back, that's nice. Those little safety bits and bobs are really helpful. I'm not seeing any reflective pieces on these. These are like workout shoes, and to me these are like walking around shoes. I don't know. It says running, they both say running shoes, but these would be the ones I'd work out in, and these would be the ones that I would wear just like around. You know what I mean? I'll probably wear them both to the gym, but like these would be more fashion shoes and workout shoes. I don't know. All right, you guys, there you go. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing, try-on, first impression of Nike workout gear. For the record, none of this is through their plus size line. I can wear their straight size line, so I'm not gonna buy the plus size line at this point. So let me know if you want more of these videos. Be sure to follow my Instagram so you can have a say in what videos come to you. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll catch you in the next one. Love you, Warrior Crew. Bye.